Hello moneymakers, take a look at this channel called Mr. Nightmare. They have got over 6 million subscribers and have uploaded 300 plus videos so far. Their popular uploads are getting more than 20 million views on a long-form video, which is literally a money-making machine. And not just this channel, check out this one. Now you will say that this is just luck. No, it's not. Have a look on these channels too. All of them are doing pretty good when it comes to views and subscriber base, and as you can see, all of them are monetized as well. You can check out their Social Blade earnings too. This is the proof that the horror and mystery niche works on YouTube. Also, do you know all of these channels use AI to create such videos? You can check out their channels, and you will find that the images are created using AI. The voiceover is done with AI. Just keep some energy for the next 10 minutes as I reveal the complete blueprint to start such channels, which includes how to find topic to editing your videos. So without wasting more of your time, let's grab some snacks and watch it till the end. Step 1. How to find topics for this niche. First, we need to find topic ideas for our video, and for this I will show many different ways to find such stories. First, open YouTube and search for the horror stories, and here you will find so many videos, and then you will get many ideas from the videos that are already created. Now the second way is open your browser and search for the real horror stories, and you will find so many websites in which you will find real horror stories, mysterious events, and paranormal activities. These are real stories, not fantasy or fiction. All these events happened in reality. So you can take ideas from here as well. Moreover, you can also take stories from Reddit and other websites called Creepypasta. In this website, you will find tons of horror, mysterious, and paranormal stories. So you can take stories from here as well. Try to take that stories which has high rating. That indicates that people are loving such stories. Beside this, you also have another option, which is AI. You can use ChatGPT for this. Open ChatGPT and enter this prompt. I am creating a faceless YouTube channel that focuses on real horror stories, paranormal activities experienced by individuals, and unsolved mysteries related to location and crime across the world. These stories must be based on true events. I would like you to suggest 10 such real story ideas. They could involve mysterious place, unexplained paranormal phenomena, or real-life unsolved crimes. Please provide some examples. And there it is. You will get 10 stories ideas from it. You can write 20, 50, as much as you want. Apart from that, the best option are books. You can also ask ChatGPT for book suggestions if you read books and need ideas from it. This is also a great way to find good topics. So these are the ways to find the video ideas. Alright, now let's move on to the next step.
Do you want prompts that I personally use to write scripts for my channels? Then just hit that subscribe and like button and comment down below. I will pick your comments from the studio and reply you with the amazing prompts which you might have not used before in your journey as a giveaway.
Step 2. Writing scripts. Remember, do not use the story from any website, article, or book as it is. Always write it in your own words or ask ChatGPT to rewrite it to avoid copyright claims. Suppose you're using a story from a website or article to create your own. You can enter this prompt. I want to create a faceless horror story videos, which is based on reality. I am sharing an article link with you. I want you to rewrite this entire article story and create a complete video script, which is engaging yet scary. This story is being narrated by a third person, so do provide the script according to that. Also, I will be generating AI images for this video for each scene. Give ultra-detailed image prompt for each scene, and consider each scene prompt as a unique prompt and unrelated to the previous prompt, so I can generate relevant images for each scene. And then paste the link of the article or a complete story. And there you go, ChatGPT rewrite a complete script and provide image generation prompt for each scene of the story. That's amazing. So this is how you can rewrite any stories with ChatGPT. Or if you want to use story which is given by ChatGPT, just copy the story topic and ask ChatGPT to give a complete story using the same prompt. So, our script work is done. Now let's move on to the next step. Step 3. Voiceover. For the voiceover, I'm using TTS, OpenAI tool, which is completely free to use, and also provide perfect human-like voiceover. Open your browser and search for TTS, OpenAI tool. Sign in your account. Then go to the voice library and search for the voice which suits best.
Buck shook himself free. But it was only for a moment. The two men were compelled to run back to save.
I will go with Dave's voice. Add the voice into the favorite. Now paste the story and select the voice. You can also adjust the speed of the voice from here, and click on Create Speech, and there you go. Your voiceover will be ready.
During the 1980s in England, an eerie painting haunted the homes of many. Known simply as the Crying Boy, this seemingly innocent portrait would soon become the center of a...
Perfect. Let's download this. Now let's move on to the next step. Step 4. Generating AI videos. Now let's generate the videos using prompt given by ChatGPT. If you want, you can first generate the images and then animate them. However, you can generate video directly using those prompts. I will show you 3 tools in which you can generate videos or animate the images. The first one is Kling AI. After sign into this tool, you will get free credits to use. Then choose AI videos from the dashboard. Now copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Choose 16:9 ratio and hit generate. The result was good, but the waiting period was quite long. Now another tool is Pixverse. In this tool, you will get 30 free credits daily. So I think it's enough to generate the video. So you can try this tool as well. And these are the results which are generated with the Pixverse. It's pretty good, right? Alright, now the last tool is Luma AI. I like the result of Luma AI, and it's better than the other tools. This way, try different tools and then stick with one. So that is how you can generate video with AI. You can also generate some images to add between this video. Try to generate multiple images. It will help to increase your audience retention. Alright, now our video work is completed. Now let's move on to the final step. Step 5. Editing. And for editing, I will use CapCut. You can use any software of your choice. Open CapCut and import the voiceover, images and videos. After that, drag the voiceover file and bring it into the timeline. Now adjust the volume of the voiceover. You can increase or decrease the volume from here. Now one by one, drag the video and image according to the sequence of the script into timeline. Then if you are using the free version of any video generator tool, the video comes with a watermark from Kling AI, Luma AI, or Pixverse. So to remove this, all you have to do, you have to crop that much part from the video like this. And then zoom in a little to fit it back to the full screen, as you can see. This way, follow the same process in all video. Or if you need to extend the duration of any clip to match the voiceover, you can also do. Just click video and adjust speed from here. Slow down the speed slightly. This will increase the duration of the video and it will sync with the voiceover properly. Some tool gave the option to create video up to 10 seconds, but it will use a lot of your credits, so it's better to use this method to extend the video. After adding all the video, click on the effect and search for the black noise effect. Add this effect to your entire video. It gives dark and unique look to your video. Also, do not forget to add transition between each video and image. You can add light transitions, smoke transitions, mixed transitions, or many more. Try to add simple ones. Now, one last and important thing that is very necessary for this type of video is background music. You can take copyright-free music and sound effects from Mixbit and Pixabay. There are so many options available. Choose from them and download it. Or you can also take music from the YouTube audio library as well. Now import the music in CapCut and add it into the timeline. Decrease the volume so the voiceover will be heard properly. Then click on text and generate the auto caption with it. And this is optional, but you can add this to make your video more engaging. So that's it, guys. This is how you can generate animated horror stories on YouTube with AI. Now, enjoy the video.
During the 1980s in England, an eerie painting haunted the homes of many. Known simply as the Crying Boy, this seemingly innocent portrait would soon become the center of a terrifying mystery. It started with a fire. A seemingly ordinary house went up in flames one quiet night. But when the fire subsided, the destruction revealed something strange. The house was destroyed, but the painting of the Crying Boy remained untouched. News of the fire spread, and soon, other cases emerged. Each time a house burned, there was one common thread: the Crying Boy painting, unscathed in the ruins. Fear began to spread. Families who owned the painting started to believe it was cursed. Even homes that were never in danger of fire became filled with dread, the owners too afraid to remove the painting for fear of triggering the curse. One by one, more homes succumbed to fire. And in every case, the story was the same. The crying boy survived, unmarked by the flames, as though something unnatural protected it.